Today we're going to look at the 2019 Paris Grand Mariner 250. 25 feet long, 300 Verado. You have the ski pylon on here, the full fence too, so you can sit and hang out back here. It's a really cool option. It swings back, tons of space here, so if you watch the kids tubing or whatever, just hang out if you're swimming. With the full rail around, really gives you some nice options there. This is the triple tube, so very performance oriented. It has the double Biminis, has a full glass dash too, so GPS, all your electronics are all built into that. Woven vinyl floor, really nice big captain's chairs with the SL seating back here, and then the wraparound seat in the front. You also have a ski locker, pop-up changing room too, right here. Capable of putting a porta potty in there too, if you should you like it. Also, JL stereo system, one of the best marine speakers in the industry. Great riding boat. Come out and see us, Lake Minnetonka.